Hello, good morning, students. Today we'll do question number 13 from exercise 4.5. If the matrix A equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, so that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0, hence find A inverse. So first you find A square. A square equal to A into A. You multiply the matrices, same matrix, 3 into 3 row into column, 3 in first row into first column, 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. Next multiply the second column by the first row, 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Next you take the second row and multiply the first and second column, minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. So we have got 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Now we have to prove that this is equal to 0. A square minus 5a plus 7i equal to 0. So you take the left hand side, a square minus 5a plus 7i. In place of a square you write down the matrix, a square matrix, minus 5, this is matrix A, plus 7, this is identity matrix. We have taken order 2 because order of the given matrix is 2. So we have taken the identity matrix of order 2. Now this matrix you multiply by 5. That is, each element of the matrix you have to multiply by 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 into 1 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Then this one you multiply by 7, 7 into 1 7, 7 into 0 0, 7 into 1 7. Now you simplify this, add and subtract. So the first element will be 8 minus 15 plus 7. Next is 5 minus 5 plus 0. Next minus 5 minus minus 5. So it will be minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. 3 minus 10 plus 7. 3 minus 10 plus 7. So each element of the matrix is 0. So this is a 0 matrix. So we have got the right hand side. The next we have to find A inverse using this relation. So how you can find A inverse? Since A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0, A square you write A into A minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. Now post multiply by A inverse. Multiply by A inverse. Post multiplication A inverse. Zero into A inverse will be 0. 0 is a matrix. 0 matrix, null matrix. So you write down here, post multiplying by A inverse. Now you see A into A inverse is an identity matrix. I into A inverse will be A inverse. A into I will be A. Here I is like 1 in number system. The matrix, identity matrix, is like 1 here. So A into A inverse is I. A into A inverse is I. I into A inverse is A inverse. A into I is A minus 5I plus 7 A inverse equal to 0. Now we have to find A inverse. You keep 7 A inverse in left hand side. 7 A inverse is equal to these two terms you transpose 5I, it will be plus 5I minus A. So this implies 7A inverse is equal to 5 into I. You write down the identity matrix 1 0 0 1 minus A. Matrix A you write down here 3 1 minus 1 2. This implies 7A inverse. Multiply this one by 5 5 0 0 5 minus 3 1 minus 1 2. This implies 7A inverse is equal to, now subtract these two matrices. 5 minus 3 is 2, 0 minus minus 1 is minus 1, 0 minus minus 1 is plus 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. This implies A inverse is equal to, now 7 you bring to right hand side, then it will be 1 by 7 into 2 minus 1 1 3. So this is the A inverse matrix A, inverse of matrix A. Okay, very important question. Okay.